Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are good in health. In previous video, we studied verbs and learned that a word that names the action that people, animals and things do is called a verb. A verb is also called a doing word. A sentence must always have a verb क्योंकि बिना वर्ब के सेंटेंस फ्रेम नहीं किया जा सकता. Today we are going to study about articles. To know about it, read the examples first. This is a ball. Vikas has a dog. The boy eats a mango. Mohini has an umbrella. This is an elephant. In sentences 1, 2 and 3, a has been used before ball, dog and mango, all nouns, which begins with a consonant sound. In sentences 4 and 5, an has been used before umbrella and elephant, all nouns, which begins with a vowel sound. Students, vowel और consonants के बारे में तो आपको पता ही होगा. इंग्लिश में टोटल 26 लेटर्स होते हैं, जिसमें A, E, I, O, U को हम वॉवेल्स कहते हैं और जो बाकी लेटर्स बचते हैं उन्हें हम कॉन्सोनेंट कहते हैं. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट आर्टिकल्स. A, an and the are called articles. Do you know there are two kinds of articles? Indefinite articles A and an, definite article the. So let's move to know indefinite article first, that is A and an. A and an are called indefinite articles because they don't point out any particular person or thing. For example, I saw a beggar. You need an umbrella. Let's move to know the uses of a. The first rule is we use a before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with the consonant sound, like a dog, a man, a table, a pot, etc. The second rule is we use a before word beginning with a vowel sound, like U. A university, a European, a unique thing, a useful thing, a eve, a union, etc. These are the rules of uses of a. Now let's move to know the uses of an. The first rule is we use an before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a vowel sound, like an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, etc. The second rule is we use an before a word beginning with a silent H. जिन वर्ड्स में H साइलेंट होता है वहां पे हम an का यूज करते हैं, like an hour, an honest boy, an honorable man. The third rule is we use an before a word beginning a consonant having a vowel sound, like an MA, an MP, an MBBS and an MD. Students, you should remember the use of a in the following expressions: a noise, a headache, a pleasure, a rage, a pity, a bad cold, in a whisper, in a low tone, in a loud voice, in a hurry. Now students, see the different examples of uses of a and an, so that you understand the uses of a and an better. There is a girl in the class. Preeti saw a child crying. The boy has a toy. His father is a teacher. I eat a bread. Mr. Bose is an old teacher in our school. He bought an egg and an umbrella. Raghav is an architect. Vipul eats an orange. Now let's move to solve an exercise so that all your confusions and doubts will be clear. The exercise is here on screen. Fill in the blanks with a and an. Let's move to solve it. This is an express bus. Uttam is a cruel man. This is an island. Varanasi is a holy city. I was reading an interesting book. She saw a beggar on the road. It is a good place. My brother will be there in less than an hour. Cow is a useful animal. Hopefully, you understood the uses of a and an after solving this exercise. A and an दोनों का ही यूज हम सिंगुलर और काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ करते हैं. आ का यूज कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड्स के साथ और एन का यूज वॉवल से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड्स के साथ किया जाता है. आ, एन और द तीनों ही आर्टिकल्स होते हैं. आज हमने अ एंड एन के बारे में पढ़ा और उसके यूज के बारे में जाना. अब द का यूज कहाँ और कब होता है इसे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू होमवर्क to enhance your understanding and knowledge about uses of a and an. The question is, fill in the blanks with a and an. In this exercise, you have to fill either a or an according to the sentence. My dear children, I hope you understood the uses of a and an and learn something. In next video, we will study about the uses of the. So, keep on watching and enjoying videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.